before this video begins, I just want to say this is going to be a very cringy video. But, guys, thank you for 14 subscribers so much. I'm so happy you guys gave me this 14 subscribers. 14. At first, I really thought, guys, that this was not going to be a good channel. And it was just going to suck. But, no. It isn't. It's all because of you, 14. You guys are awesome. I don't know what else to say, but you guys are awesome, and you guys should really just, you guys help me through this 14 subscribers. So, we're gonna start a reading comment series now into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today we are going to be reading your comments, and so this is 14 subscribers special for reading your comments. So our first comment is going to be, bro, you're gonna get to bed now, and I said yes. Oh, and this also said, if they didn't give away Robux, I want to not get banned from Roblox. If they don't do it again, they probably can get back their Roblox back. Don't courses stay banned. Then they let them stay banned in there to do all that. I don't care that their fault. They get banned. You'll never be able to. Okay, so I'm gonna reply to this comment and say, but they won't now. So I did not understand that comment, and I'm also gonna like this because that thank you for telling me I'm dumb. You're awesome. So then here's this. Creation didn't think about that. Yeah, Creation didn't think about that. And then he's gonna make me an intro, blah 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 blah. And then so now we're just going to find out what the next comment is. So our next comment comes from friend me. My username is. So we're gonna copy this. Well, I'm gonna have to tell this dude that I don't friend, but I will follow you. So now that we've copied that, we're actually going to go friend him right onto the Roblox page. So let's go straight into it. So we're at the Roblox page. Let's paste this right down in here. We're also going to search this right now because he won't. Sorry I can't friend him, or I'm really sorry that I can't friend you or anything, but what I'll do for you is I will subscribe to you. If you want me to, I'll subscribe to you right now. So I'll subscribe to you right this instant. Don't worry, buddy, who posted this like 3 days ago. You, sir, I will subscribe to you, and I will also follow you. So there you go. You are now happily there. And then also we will also follow him right now. No, I didn't mean to friend him. Oopsies. Sorry, dude. So I'm probably gonna unfriend you right when you accept that. Really sorry, dude, that I can't friend you, but that's just part. And if you guys are asking why I don't friend, I'll save that for another video up. And so so our next comment is, I'm actually just gonna explain why I don't friend now, because I don't accept friend requests, because if I accept one, the max is 200, and yeah, only 14 people are subbed, and I can't, and it wouldn't be fair because only 200 of you would be my friends, and that wouldn't be fair. So that's kind of why I don't accept friend requests. So I hope that got you to what I was trying to say. And anyway, so now I'm gonna read the next comment we have. Anyway, let's read the next comment we have. Let's go. This comment is from Harley Gwen Gaming. Hey, we met on Roblox, Brownie's Cafe. I don't know if you remember, you probably do because we are friends in Roblox. Okay, so there we go. The Knob Squad, yeah, guys, go check that out. And then you have this. And so now to be explaining everything, I just want to say that you guys have still helped me out, and the only reason I'm doing reading my comments is, and I will be doing Q&A if we can get 20 subs. So if we get 20 subscribers, then I'll do a Q&A, but you guys have to ask questions, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do now is basically say that I need you guys to leave a bunch of comments down below, and I'll read them. And maybe if you want me to draw something, I'll try. I've got a drawing tablet. And then I'll show you guys the drawings, and I may start. And the only reason I'm reading my comment is because we got 14 subs. Yes, it's pretty country to say yes, you guys, thank you so much, and blah, 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 blah. You guys actually did help me out through this journey of YouTube so far. And I just wanted to say that you guys are awesome, and it's actually kind of cringy. You always say that. That's what. And so I just wanted to say thank you guys so much. I don't know what else to say. Yes, it's cringy, but seriously, guys, you have helped me out. It's really cringy. I don't know what other things to say, but it's cringy. But I really don't care. You guys just have really helped me out a lot through the journey through YouTube. And my real name, a name reveal? Not sure, probably like 200 subscribers or something. That's probably. But now we're just gonna hop into our next comment. Our next comment is coming from comment comes from Mr. Jordan 23. And this is back then when I had the Cow Gaming 2, and I said it sounded a lot different. So yes, I do. If you guys want to hear. And it's my favorite one. I was also sick that day, if you guys didn't know. I was sick that day, so I sound even worse. So now I'm gonna explain to you why I was sick that day. I do get sick a lot more often because I stay inside. I think maybe stay inside too much, something. Anyway, I do sound a lot different because I was younger, and I was like 8 or 7 around when I recorded that. So yeah, I was like, and that was probably I just found old files of videos, and then I just posted this, and then I noticed it was around when I was like 7 or 8, not sure, but I was 7 or 8 when I made that video, and so yeah, so that's why it actually sounds horrible, really horrible. So our next comment is probably gonna come from, who do you think it's gonna come from next? Hallelujah! Mr. Jordan 23. Again, Mr. Jordan 23. And he is actually back again. He wanted me to be live. I'll try. I don't have anything to record it with. I want to go sub to him because he really wanted it. I tried to be live, but I don't know how yet. So, I guess we're just gonna head next to the next comment. The only reason I can't be live is because I don't have anything to record with. So, yeah, it's pretty sad and blah, blah, blah. But it's actually true. I don't have anything to record live with. So that's why I can't do live videos. And, yeah. I guess that's all I have to say for, the live stuff. But I need a lot more comments to read for you guys. I need so many more comments. Way many more comments. Because this isn't enough comments to do reading your comments. So this is probably just going to be number 1. Probably not going to post for a while until I post some other videos. Or if you guys want to just say some random things in the comments. But stop giving... Anyway, on to the next comment, I guess. You guys, that'll be it for doing the reading your comments today. If you guys want me to do a Q&A, go ask some questions and subscribe and like. Thank you guys so much for 14 subscribers. I'm so happy. But if we can hit 19 subscribers, then let's go. Because if we can hit hit 19 subscribers, I'll do some Q&As, but you guys have to ask some questions down in the description below. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.